You told me there's no need to talk it out, 'cause it's too late to proceed. And slowly I took your words and walked away. No looking back, I won't regret, no. I will find my way. I'm broken, but still I have to say it's alright, okay. Going through the same day, same place, same way I always do. Then I saw you from the corner of my eye, and it hit me like a ton of bricks, I can't lie. Oh, you got to me. My life was alright, living in black and white, but you changed my point.